Eto guys, maganda yung tanong ni Miss Mikay. Sabi niya, my dog is barking at me all the time. Why is that? How to stop the dog to stop barking? My dog's breed is a Belgian Malinois po. Alam niyo yung mga Belgian Malinois, they could be the most irritating dogs in the world. It's because they're very intelligent, they're very hyperactive, kaya you really have to spend time sa training ng aso ninyo. Okay, why is your dog barking? Is your dog in an enclosed cage or nasa enclosed space siya, malayo sa inyo? It could be in that case na tinatawag ka ng aso mo, gusto niya makipaglaro, gusto niya lumabas sa cage niya, alam niya kapag kumahol siya, lalapitan mo siya kasi nakuha niya yung attention mo, and what you'll do is bring her out. Yun ang gusto niya. Tinitrain ka niya, tinatawag ka niya, is teaching you, telling you what to do. Now, it could also be that your dog is aggressive, no? It could be an adult dog na hindi kilala yung hindi kakilala or hindi kilala yung mga ibang members ng family ninyo. So be careful with these kinds of dogs. Makikita nyo yung difference ng sinabi ko kanina and yung pangalawang example by doing a simple gesture, no? Tinatawag na aso, kahol ng kahol, ba, sa cage or nakatali or naka fence. Bigla mong puntaan, lapitan. No, kapag yung aso tumahimik, tapos parang, kita mo parang nagka-crouch down, tapos tumahimik, tapos yung buntot niya, steady lang, maaring yung aso na yon ay galit sa'yo. Okay, so he's getting ready for the attack. Pero kapag bigla kang lumapit, tapos hinarap mo siya, tapos yung aso tapos biglang tumahimik, tapos iba na yung sounds, tapos kawag na kawag yung buntot, halos yung buong katawan niya ay kinakawag niya. It could mean na he's just playful, gusto niya ikaw makalaro, or meron siyang gusto makalaro na nakita niya. So, depende rin po yan, no? So be very careful in alam niyo yung pagharap sa mga ganitong klaseng aso. Belgian Malinois are very strong dogs. They are large dogs, kaya kailangan careful din po kayo. If you want us to help you train your dog, meron po kaming iba-ibang dog training courses sa Manalo K9. Just message us or comment down below. We can help you. No? We have branches nationwide. We have branches sa Isabela, Bulacan, dito sa Rizal, we have in Iloilo, Cebu, and CDO. So we can help you. We can also do home service. Okay, meron tayong crash course for basic obedience ngayon, which is a 15-day course na pwede rin 7 days na home service. 13,500 lang po yan. That's the most basic course that you can get from. So I suggest lahat po ng mga dog owners, lalo na kung meron kayong mga big dogs, large dogs like Belgian Malinois, you cannot have a dog like that na walang training, na hindi nakikinig sa inyo, because these dogs are very powerful, they're very fast, they're very aggressive, potentially maging liability yan kung hindi nyo